But it's too foggy, so I thought, fuck it, I just gonna do the coast.
Oh, here goes.
Wow, already.
Dude, nutty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at little Mill Island. Oh, dude.
Oh my, look at the waves up front.
The trickle is trickling so fast right now already. One shot. Dude. It's going. It's going.
Arterial fog.
Yeah, that's not good.
Look at all of it, it's caving in. Oh, there.
Oh yeah, it's connected to the ocean. There it is. That's what the people want to see. Wow. We got a creek break going down today. Break the berm, baby. Don't believe the lies. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna go fast. ASMR, baby. Wow. This one's going really fast. It is super full today. And it's gonna be a good one. Oh! Blaze on, blaze on. No way. Look at that, you guys. Wow. Uh-oh. He's through.